본 그 순간 난 움직일 수가 없었지. 그때 그 아름다운 모습 난 넋을 잃고 말았지. 그때의 아름다운 그 미소가 나를 사로잡았지. 거기 그 자기 원만하면 내게 오지. 우리 여기에서 둘이 멋진 밤을 함께 하지. Oh honey, oh baby, 좀 아름답기도 하지. 내게 오지, 나를 믿지. 절대 후회할 리 없지. 그대의 그 섹시한 눈빛, oh 나를 또 바라보았지. 눈빛이 마주치는 순간 난 숨을 쉴 수가 없었지. 그대야말로 하늘이 내려주신 진정한 허니지. 거기 그 자기 원만하면 내게 오지. 우리 여기에서 둘이 멋진 밤을 함께 하지. Oh honey, oh baby, 좀 아름답기도 하지. 내게 오지, 나를 믿지. 절대 후회할 리 없지. Now everybody party. 내게로 걸어오는 그대 난 바라볼 수가 없었지. 걸어오는 그대의 모습 너무너무.
Hey man, we just finished filming. How you feel, John? Hey, how many times did we mess up, dude?
So somewhere between, I lost count, man. 100, I don't know.
I think I messed up like 1,000 times,
It's
man.
all right, man. Practice.
But hey, so we're doing this because we're trying to see how we could use some K-pop, K-pop sound. And when was this track made? Remember?
So this had to be like the 90s, I don't know, 94, 95. His name is JYP.
JYP.
Yeah, song's called Honey. Yeah.
Honey, way back in the 90s K-pop, man.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, when I was younger, we used to always just watch the K-pop videos and just
right.
kind of try and copy them, you know. So yeah, it's kind of good to go back, you know, a little full circle.
Yeah, man, we just came up with this idea just today, man. You know, I just called up John today, and we said, hey, man, you got time? Let's just come up with some stuff. And you know, a lot of time when we create dance routines, it's just spur of the moment thing, right? Yeah. And then it's all right if we mess up.
Yeah.
Just as long as you keep practicing and you get it down.
Yeah.
Hopefully the video looks good. We'll see, though.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, John.
Cool. All right.
Hey.
Later.